got my red beans soaking along with my ham hock and my turkey wing, my smoked turkey wing and my smoked ham hock pieces, and I got that on high for about 8 hours. But I'm gonna come check it around. It's about midnight right now, so I'll be checking it around 4 or 5 in the morning. It might be ready, and then I'm gonna debone my meat. And right now I'm gonna get all my veggies in there, which is the oregano from the garden right there, shredded, which is this right here. And then we have celery, 3 stalks of celery, 1 small bell pepper, 2 serrano peppers. I got about 3 cloves of garlic, kind of big, leave them in big pieces. I got 1 yellow onion cut up, and I got some green onion that I picked from the garden. I still got to get the parsley from the garden, but I'm gonna use the green onion and the parsley for the garnish on top. So I'm gonna save that for later. But I'm gonna start adding. For salt, I'm gonna use Tony Chachere's. Some of this pinto bean seasoning taste. It's got a real good flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. The chicken bouillon has salt, so that's gonna be my salt right there, my sodium. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper, a little bit of cayenne, some smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, and some thyme. And I'm gonna throw about 3 bay leaves in there. So I gotta go dig out the bay leaves and get it going. I'm gonna set it and forget it and go to bed. Okay, what I did, I took out all the meat and I let it cool off, and I'm starting to cube it up, and I'm gonna be turning to the beans. The beans are not ready yet; they're still hard. They probably need about another 3 hours. And the flavor needed the flavor's on. I needed just a little bit of salt, and I had to add more water because it pretty much absorbed all the water. So now I added a little bit more water. I might have to add some more water later. We'll see how it goes. They really absorbed all the water that was there, and it's the flavor's just on. Just needed just a little bit of salt. Okay, so we'll just pick it back up once I get all the meat in there. Oh, it looks like we're done. Look at that.